Nestled in the serene enclave of Walton, Nebraska, 2011, South 116th Circle presents a harmonious blend of luxury and seclusion. This 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom estate spans an impressive 7,143 square feet and is situated on a meticulously landscaped lot. Main level elegance. Upon entering, you're greeted by a grand foyer that seamlessly flows into the expansive living areas. The main floor boasts a gourmet kitchen equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, a spacious formal dining room, and a cozy family room with a fireplace, perfect for intimate gatherings. The primary suite on this level offers a private retreat with a luxurious ensuite bathroom and ample closet space. Upper-level features. Ascending to the upper level, you'll find an open loft area leading to bedrooms 2 and 3, each featuring ensuite bathrooms, ensuring comfort and privacy for family members or guests. Lower-level entertainment. The walkout basement is an entertainer's dream, complete with a home theater, wet bar, and additional living space that opens to the outdoor amenities. This level also includes 2 more bedrooms, each with its own bathroom, providing ample accommodation options. Outdoor Oasis. The exterior of the property is equally impressive, featuring an outdoor pool surrounded by a stone patio, a covered outdoor kitchen, and a fireplace, creating an ideal setting for alfresco dining and relaxation. Additional highlights. Year built, 2007. Lot size, expansive, offering privacy and space for outdoor activities. Garage, attached with ample space for multiple vehicles. Priced at $1,695,000, this estate combines luxury living with the tranquility of country life, all while being a short drive from the amenities of Lincoln.